Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain you about Time Manager, which is one of the application of Nextcloud. You can find Time Manager at the top of the screen. This application allows you to track how much time you have spent on the project. It helps in organizing time entries based on task, project and clients. It gives a quick record of time entry for your latest task. It makes use of simple but useful statistics and reports. So firstly, you need to click on clients. You can add any number of client. I have added already 3. You can add more. Let us add one more. Client 4. And for each client, you can add more number of projects. So let me add project now. So for client 4, you can even edit and delete the client. Let me add project 4. Once you are done with adding the project, you can add task. I have just added one project for client 4. You can add more number also. Similarly, you can even add task. So my task will be meeting schedule. Add task. Once the task has been created or added, go to time entries, show. Now you can add the time entries, the number of hours that you have worked. So I have worked for 2 hours. You can even change the date and give a description or note. Add time entry. You can even add more time entries. It's not just constrained to one time entry. You can add more. So let me add one more of 3 hours. You can give a note. Add time entry. Once we are done with all these 4, that is client, project, task and time entries, let's go to the dashboard. Here in dashboard, you can select the client and you will get the information about that particular client. And see here, you can get the latest time entries of all the 4 clients. Now, let us select client 4. Next, project, that is project 4, meeting schedule is the task. See here. Here in this, we can see how much have we worked in all the 4 projects, that is 13 hours. You can see the statistics. It gives a fair statistics of how much you have worked in those 4 projects or under the 4 clients. You can even have check on previous week also. Once that is done, let's move on to reports. See, under reports, you can add client. You can even add projects and then click on task. Here you can give status. The next one, you can give the status whether it's been resolved or unresolved. So you can just give the status. You can click on status. Let me apply the filter. Here you have presets option. That is, these are the options that you get. Let me check this for a particular week. Apply range. Now see here. You can see on Monday 6 hours was worked. That is of the ones which I have added. Monday 6 hours. So you can see the details Monday, the client number 4, we have worked for 6 hours. The unique feature about this is you can print the report, and even you can export report to CSV. That means you can export the report to in the Excel format. Moment you click on this, it comes in the Excel format. Now, if you want to check of all, delete everything. Here you will get all the clients. Client 3, 4, 1 and 2. So apart from this, there are many more features which I will be taking you through in the coming video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to Nextcloud. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Fazana Banu and stay tuned with Intercell. Thank you.